morning, everyone.
Morning, morning.
Good morning, good
Morning,
morning.
guys.
Morning, morning.
Right, without there. Good morning. So yeah, welcome, everyone. It's a new day. Let me just move this right there. Good morning, good morning. So, yeah, looking interesting. Let me get rid of all this. Get rid of all this. Looking like we are still in the range. Look like gold. Wow. Going down yesterday. Around 3:30 started pushing. Very nice. So yeah, let's get. Good morning, good morning. Okay, so let's just take a look at some news, just in case we jump in and something quite aggressive. So we're okay right now. CPI at 130. That's okay. That ain't too bad. So we're okay for this session, right? Okay, so let's take a look then. So GJ right now, 4 hours closed bullish. 4 hour hasn't broken the high of the previous yet, but looks like it may do soon, which is good to see. Okay, so yeah, daily is bullish. Sorry, the 4 hour is bullish. Let me just move this to the daily. Daily candle closed doji, but rejecting the previous lows. See there? Kind of tapped, rejected, so kind of interesting. Let's take a look at the 4 hour time frame. So yeah, back in this little crappy zone, which is okay. At least the zone's big. 4 hour time frame. Let's see over here. 1 second. Oh my god, this mouse is getting worse, I swear. I need to buy a new one today. So 4 hour bullish, hasn't broken the low, could potentially be breaking the high very, very shortly. Take a look at the hourly time frame. Wow, okay, so the hourly time frame is ranging a little bit. Let's take a look on the 15-minute. So kind of looking like it's clean above this area, to be honest with you. I mean, I know there's a little bit of resistance there at 937. Yeah. But that is the major kind of resistance we're holding right now, the current resistance level. So kind of here. So potentially if there's enough volume, a closure above would be kind of nice to continue bullish. Then it would be also breaking the previous 4 hour highs right there, 880. Which should be enough to drive it a little bit higher. Yes, I know there is some resistance there in these areas, but by then, let me just take a look. Yeah, I'd be hitting about 10 pips anyway, so not really too fast. So potentially, I think buys above here. And then you hope that they kind of just leave this and the price just moves quickly like this does, all the way back up to this area. So yeah, I think that could be kind of nice. So, I am going to be waiting for buys above over here. 160, 862. And if I can get in just before the 4 hour breaks the previous high, that would be nice as well. Because then we should get the little push. Let me just make this green. Beautiful. So yeah, I think that's what I'm going to be looking for. See what the crack is. For sells, sells get a little bit tricky, right? Sells get a little bit tricky because the zones for sells are a bit oof. I mean, you could potentially do this, because this is the key level of support right now. Can you see? So if I get my annotation tools out, you can see that this support. Oh my god, yeah, this mouse is absolutely fucked. This is support, this is resistance. So closure below there would be flipping the daily, and then where should it continue down to? Well, it should probably continue all the way down to 164.40. So potentially sells below there as well. Also, guys, what I'm going to do now is for people wanting magic keys, I'm going to introduce the chart work. So if you really want magic keys and you want to win magic keys, I'm going to give it to the best people that make the best chart analysis. Either from taking a trade, either from a losing trade, or either from zones. Just marked up very nicely. I want lots of detail. So yeah, if you guys really want the magic keys, that's the way to do it. Okay.
Morning, Max.
Morning, my man.
I like AJ right now on the low on 1 hour. 10 pips stop loss on the low on 1 hour.
Look at the
But finish first, sorry.
Oh yeah, I see. What? But what?
But finish first your analysis.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So yeah, no, I think GJ's good. No, but I think that looks okay actually. Let's take a look. Right, so I'll keep an eye on GJ. I'm on MetaTrader over there. Okay, so looking like the daily time frame AJ closed bearish below, so a little bit more confirmation for it to continue down, which is rather nice. So yeah, let me just put this in. So this is the daily flip. Okay, the 4 hour time frame closed bullish. The one right now is bearish. Could be making a lower wick to flip back up. Okay. There we go. Hourly time frame. Oh my god, who's that? 1 second. There we go. Okay, so yeah. So looking like the previous 1 hour time frames have been closing bearish. Hasn't really closed below 166.52. However, it kind of has closed below this level. But if you take a look at the 30-minute, can you see that there's a level of support right there? So you'd probably want sales below there. But the same thing again, it's trading the range. I mean, as long as you can get a nice entry, then I don't see why not. But it's just it's a bit choppy. So for me, probably buys above there, which is probably going to be the same as GJ. And then for sells,
Yeah, I think below the daily flip.
yeah, I agree.
That's for there.
Probably down there, yeah. Probably like around there.
Don't look nice for sales.
Yeah.
Now, with prep 4 hour candle.
Yeah.
So strong bullish.
Yeah.
And this 1 hour.
Oh shit! Sorry, Mike. Sorry, Michael. You go back on it again. Sorry, I can just hear you. I can just hear your music in the background.
Oh, sorry. let me stop.
Let's take a look over here.
And also, Max, I don't like GG on daily. It's so dodgy.
Yeah.
Okay.
I agree.
So fucking dodgy.
Yeah, I said it's not nice process. The 1 hour didn't close below 0.670.
Yeah. I agree. I think a little there would be nice. Oh my god, chat, YouTube, my god, I was so fucking salty yesterday. Holy shit. I did a FOMO ass trade and I was so annoyed. Someone in Gulag said gold melting yesterday, but we did not believe him. Yeah. Morning.
Max, that resistance there to the left, aren't you too worried about that on GJ? Don't you want it to close like above 890?
I did think that, but 30, yeah. Yeah. The only thing is if I got a nice entry there to the highs there, it'd be 9 pips and I'd put stop loss to break even. It's the only thing. But yeah, and it also happened through Asian, so I'm not really too asked about it. We'll see. So yeah, did you trade yesterday, bro? On NY session, yeah. So a lot of people got this AJ trade. We waited for this AJ trade for ages. It happened. I had a 50 milliseconds for it to break the low and me to send the signal out. I was waiting for the nice little top wick and just at least chilling for a minute. Nope, breaks the low. A lot of people who've been in the mentorship for a while take it because, you know, they get that I'm gonna do it, but I just didn't do it quick enough. I fucking missed it. So tried to wait for a retracement and then yeah, I got slapped. So yeah, this was it. So can you see here? Support here. this candle closed bearish below. Enter on the lower wick. So a lot of the students over here took that, which is what my fucking signal had, and I was ready to take it. I was like, oh, this is gonna be sick. Stop loss was like 11 pips, amazing. It literally ran no drawdown in 18 pips profit right to the next area. The first area was here because this is the next level of resistance support which could hold. The next candle opened bullish, bearish. So this one closed. The next one made the top wick. I got into a sell here on this candle with stop loss above the previous here, and yeah, I got slapped. So that kind of sucked. But everyone who got that earlier, which I wanted to do, but fucking signal gave me 13 seconds to take it. Yeah, fucked me up. But anyway, so yeah, I was salty as shit. And then obviously when it dropped down like 18 pips, I was even more salty. I was like, oh, such a nice trade. But hey yo, right, I'll take a look at what time frame is that? That was 15-minute time frame. But yeah, I mean, overall, guys, if you guys are trading this week, sorry, you know, how many trades have you taken compared to the week before, so the 2 weeks before? For me, it's a lot less, right? Because this just hasn't moved yet. But you know, it's only Wednesday, so I'm really not asked. I'm not asked at all. The whole part of it. Took it out on gold yesterday. Chart here, bro. Beautiful. This is what I want to see. More people give me losing trades. I've 1 week, 2 lost this week. Hopefully it's a good day. Joel, you hope every day. Okay, let's take a look. Ooh, looking like AJ's coming up. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. 4 hours flipping, breaking the previous high. That could be kind of nice. But yeah, I mean, overall, oof, it's nasty. It's nasty. So yeah, let me just put this on as well. So I'm just going to wait patiently over here for maybe a closure above here if we get a nice strong candle. But yeah, as Jason said, there is a little resistance there. But if it can get in a nice sniper there with a nice low wick, I don't see why not. So yeah, buys will clean it for what? I think AG buys look okay as well, actually. Let's take a look. Yeah, AG buys are kind of clean, right? Because you get a closure above there in the 30-minute time frame, that'd be kind of nice. Or I mean the hourly. Oh, it's just horrible zones right now. So yeah, we'll see. Let me just take a look. Let's take a look at gold now. It looks like gold's breaking up a little bit, but as I say, it's very, very bearish. I got in a gold 1855, seeing bearish momentum. Do you think it'll continue to 1824? Oof. You got in at 1855. Normally, towards the start of the day, we'll get a retracement, and then later on, it'll fly down again. But I hope. Have you closed some profits? I hope you have. There's no point being in a stinking trade when you don't close any profits. Yeah. Let's take a look over here. That there. Let me just do this. Okay. Check gold. Okay, so let's take a look at gold then. So the daily time frame on gold closed very, very bearish. We are very bearish in gold now. It's closed below this level of resistance here, 1848. So it should fill the zone up eventually, 1791. Okay, so very, very bearish. So the first thing I'm looking at here is sells. I'm not taking any buys when it looks like this, because the trend on gold is very, very important, right? So I'm just looking at sells the whole time. 1 4-hour bullish candle does not mean I'm taking any buys. I'm still looking for sells. I just want the retracement, which should be fine later on. Because all I think in my head that's doing right now is making the top wick of the daily, right? Hourly, 30-minute, 50-minute starting to come up past this previous level. So what would be nice is if price come above 1840, fakes out, comes back to 1842, closes back in this zone, and then fills the zone up. That's probably what I'll do. So something like this. Didn't take any trades so far this week. Everything didn't feel good enough. Starting to feel jobless. Nice. No, that's good though. That's good. That's good. If you haven't taken any, then you're doing well, because there hasn't been, you know, amazing setups. So something like this. Would be nice. That's what I'd look for. That's what I'd look for. Ah, nice, beautiful. Gold buys of 1840. No, because the fact the trend is so bearish. Don't get worked up in these little tiny buys. If you take a look at the last webinar I did up here on gold rules, make sure to go watch that, because it talks about this. How about you need to be on the trend? Where is it? There you go. Need to be on the trend. The trend right now is bearish. Okay, so just when you're looking for the trend, just do the daily time frame. Use a little, like, you know, just 2 lines and just go, right, what's happening right now? Okay, we're bearish. Okay, pretty damn bearish. So yeah, we'll see. Looking like GJ's coming down, man. I needed to get out of this zone now. Fucking hell, it's a pain in the ass. It's a pain in the ass. Sells. I mean, really, do I have to take sells? 4 hour close bullish daily. It's just awful. Max on GJ for sells isn't better below 165.60. 560 here. 1 second. No. 560 is in the middle of this zone. See, like, this is the resistance of that zone. This is the support. Getting in the middle of a zone. Hell no. You gotta get in like here. Or
Champion Pips just gave him my gold buy signal.
nice.
No, that's not nice.
Take a look. Is it closed above?
I don't know, it just says on my SMS is with a break of the current candle highs. Oh, it kind of makes sense, but I'm not messing with the gold and with the champion pips anymore.
It's not really closing above there, is it?
No. He took some crazy trades for the last couple of weeks. No more with CP.
Okay, charts of the stream, I'm going to take a look at that. Also, people in the mentorship, make sure to send me some charts in over here. Look at Kevin. Let's take a look at Kevin. Okay, looking for a buy above 16900. Yeah, beautiful. That's what I'm kind of looking for as well. Very nice. If I can get a nice strong closure, that is. Daily lows, yeah. Beautiful. Liver clean buys above 16900. Yeah, that's pretty good. I think sells are just going to be a little harder today. But we'll see. Oh, shit. Someone needs to fucking remind me. AJ. A to the J. Right. AJ.
Oh, I like this AJ. I like this AJ.
Me too. It's clean, right?
Yeah, final clean zone. Hopefully it's gonna go up. Potential buys. What's up, Brian?
Potential.
What's up, Brian?
It's Brian in the building.
How's it, bro?
How's it going, bro?
How's it going, bro?
How's it going, bro?
Let's take a look here. So, yeah, TP2 would be right around here. I may just do 91. 91 would be nice. So yeah, we'll see. Get a nice closure, nice low wick on the 30. How much would stops be right now on the previous 30? 15 pips. How much on the previous 15?
Yeah, my zone is on
7.
is 91. is my zone, 30 minutes.
Oh
Looks
no,
nice.
it's going. Stay here, boy. I mean, the zone is pretty good, right? So yeah. So look at the hourly time frame. Yeah, the hourly looks a little shit, man. So bearish, right? But I mean, past 4 hours are okay. The dailies, okay.
8 more minutes, stop.
Yeah, I think we may miss it. We may already go. We'll see. If it stays around there, then it could be good. But take a look at gold. Your gold shot up. Yeah, nice. Only way for me to buy gold is CPI is coming really bad and still is risky for now. Yeah. I just don't trust when it's so bearish like that. I like the retracement and I like the sells later. Yeah. If it comes like here, then great as well. I'm not asked. The higher the better, really. The higher the better, because when it comes down, it's got a lot more to come down, so it's very nice. Let me just do some here. So yeah, I mean, this week is, right now is testing your patience, your discipline. It's the same thing that happened at the start of last week. Same thing that started last week. Price is just in a quite hard range. It's not really showing much direction, so you just gotta chill. You just gotta chill out. Yeah.
Shit, that gold blessed.
Yeah, gold shut up, boy. Let's take a look over
Nice
here.
player by CP got it.
Yeah. Right, let's take a look at some charts, Vincent. Monday barcode zone, very very nice. Is that on GJ? Yeah. Buys above 979. Yeah. So above that little bit of resistance. Yeah, I'm probably gonna wait for that 979 as well. We'll see. AJ buys with 814. Very nice as well. I like your candle colors. They're kind of nice. Risky buys with 932. Yeah. Buys with 161361. Yeah, that's gonna be easier buys, I suppose. But I think also you could get buys there for sure. Sells below here, closure. Oh, wow, that looks a lot cleaner than mine actually in the 30 minute there. 440. That's not too bad. Beautiful chart work on mine. That's really good. Very nice to see. It's gold. Buys with 1847. Yeah, I think 1847 would probably be a little bit easier. Nice. But yeah, I just don't trust buys in gold. I've always taught myself, just don't go the opposite way of where the trend's going on gold. So I'll just wait for the sells later on. But it looked like it worked out. Damn. Still look at the hourly time frame. Coming towards 1844 would be nice. 1844. Okay, so we've got 4 minutes left. 4 minutes left for a little closure over here. Very nice. Looking like GJ's still there, still messing about. Hourly's broken the previous highs. It's coming above the zone. A nice 30-minute closure would be reasonable. Let me just move my chart over here.
Yeah, I think we'll need a strong closure there on AJ, because if you look to the left, each time we came to that zone, we fucked off hard, man.
Yeah. That's why I'm wanting
That's my
it
only
nice.
concern.
I'm wanting literally this candle to do this, next one to do this, and then do that. So you get the lower wick of rejection, and then you get in on the high. If it doesn't do that and it just runs off or breaks the high instantly, or doesn't meet me in the lower wick, then yeah, I'm probably gonna leave it.
Yeah, because if you check now, it's literally doing exactly what it did previously
Yeah.
when it came to that area.
That's such a shame, Jason. You've just finished your fucking Ramadan, and now the fucking chart's ass. You missed
Said
the
to me on
fucking-
Monday he's coming. He's gonna pop in on Wednesday and Friday. I said, please don't, you're gonna kill the body.
Yeah.
I told him I'm bringing the volume, but don't worry, I brought the volume to GJ. We have cells this morning. I'm calling it, we have cells.
The other guy's mic is too loud. I don't know how to fucking reduce the noise of what you hear on Zoom. Oh, yes I do. What the fuck? I just had a big brain moment. So I turn that down, and I turn that up a little bit more. Right, someone speak in Zoom now?
Now?
Yeah.
No.
Is that still really loud or not?
So, GJ cells in
YouTube.
3 minutes.
GJ cells. Take a look at the hourly now. Hourly's breaking the low previouses. Take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hours coming down. There'd be some hard ass cells to take, but
Yes, there's a report there on 4 hour.
yeah, mic test 1 2. Interesting. It's just very hard work to find anywhere that's reasonable.
I think like the charts are so delicate right now. Like it's just tasting that patience and just
Yeah, for sure.
need to be disciplined and just wait patiently.
Yeah.
I was scrolling through Instagram last night and just looking at all the Bitcoin and crypto gurus saying, I told you it was gonna come down.
I told you it was gonna fly down. Yeah, it's true. I mean, the webinar this week is about this whole thing about the break-even stage. You know, the break-even stage can be quite a long time because what will happen is, I mean, I talk about it all the time, but in your equity curve, you know, the past month you'll be up fucking sky high. You'll be feeling amazing. You'll be feeling cloud 9. And then when the charts get a little bit sour tasting, like last week, the start of last week, they were very sour tasting. If you start taking some badass trades just because the zone's bad, not because you're doing bad trades or you're a bad trader. It's just the market is not giving you the right moves, the right conditions to take good trades. So you're gonna take some L's, and what you got to do is you got to be able to hold this level of just waiting. So you can take some little trades, you can take some nice trades, but you're chilling, you're not risking a lot, you're not over trading. When price is just in a range, and in a hard price action, and then when the charts get better again, you move to the next level, right? What people will do at the start is they will go down here and they'll go to where they were before. 1 second, and now they're like, okay, I've just gained all this money here. In this great 2 weeks, I made 10%, and now here I've just gave that back to the markets just because of the fact that the price in that week is garbage, and I just traded it. So what you've got to do is sit here until the next wave of beautiful charts come, and then you go to the next level. Don't get trapped in that. Okay, so AJ didn't close above for me. Let me just move my GJ higher up, because I said that. 1 second. So this whole thing about just waiting until the chart's a little bit better is so important to do. Like, I mean, it's ridiculous. Let's just move this here.
30 minutes close above on AJ, but
Yeah.
it's
Thing is though, now for buys above here, it's just like where are you gonna put it? There, but then this is the main level of support. This is the reason why I liked it there, because it's this is holding it nicely, support there. This is happening in Asian. I'm gonna still leave it here. I think I'm kind of happy with it. Did you say AJ closed above? I don't think it did really. Nah, it didn't. It's right there. It's not enough.
yeah. some resistance there on 50 minutes.
Yeah. Gold damn flying. Yeah, gold is flying. Gold is launching. Let's take a look. So yeah, I mean, it's that whole thing of just waiting patiently. It's so important. 4 hour has broken the high. The previous was that GJ that I was looking for? Or AJ that I was looking for that. Ah, it's GJ. Yeah. But AJ's broken up. We should come to the next 4 hour resistance, which is there. So that's like 10 pips away. So we'll see. Told you gold, Bitcoin melting. Is it still melting today? Let me take a look at cryptos. I like seeing like the monthly things. Like in a month, it's dropped like fucking so much. Oh, it's down again. Oh my god. Down back to. Yeah, damn. So there you go. I predicted the crypto crash. Yes, I am the new Warren Buffett. I was like, I don't like this shit with Russia and crypto and stuff. They're gonna fuck them up a little bit. What's actually happened? What's the reason why? I actually haven't even looked. I just assume it's about the war.
What happened was the banks got involved. It's easier.
Yeah, see,
The
that's
supply is still as limited as it was 2 years ago.
yeah.
The method of mining Bitcoin is still the same as 2 years ago. Nothing has changed about the fundamentals of Bitcoin. The only thing that has changed is financial institutions. They got their hands on it, and now it's not about supply and demand anymore. Now it's just riding the wave until some big bank decides now it's time to sell to push the price down,
Yeah.
or now it's time to buy because we can sell it if we push it hard enough. That's all that's happened to Bitcoin.
Well, the issue is that thing, right? Banks soon will track all your crypto transactions. The whole point of crypto is that it didn't. Well, you know, you had your own freedom. You could just send money to anyone, and it was kind of just there.
Yeah. But the whole financial world has made it just like any other asset you can trade, because they have ETFs and CFDs on it now, and it wasn't like that before. So
Yeah. Loon has a stable coin USD 20 in the peg. They dumped. Wow. So let's take a look at gold from the big scale of things. Yeah. So can you see this example here? This price came all the way up, broke this high, and then fucking launched back down. That's what I'm waiting for later on. A fucking margin call email. God, I used to remember them margin call emails, man. I haven't had one of them in fucking donkey's years. it just say margin call. Oh shit.
You get an email.
Yeah, I get an email that I'm gonna lose half my money. Yeah, margin call alert. I'm like, margin call and my leverage is 1 to 500. It ain't looking too good.
I
God.
remember I used to trade Nasdaq. I was with Pipperstone at the time. I was trying. Like we were still trying out all the various brokers, bro. I used to over leverage the shit out of that account.
Yeah, man. It's not good, man. I used to over leverage like fuck, yeah. Oh yes. Just that circle of just putting money in, fucking losing it. That like, did that for like a year straight. It was fucking awful. It was bloody awful. So there's a movie called Margin Call. You should watch it, about the whole US market crashing on Wall Street. I haven't seen that one. I've seen Big Short. That one was good.
Margin call is a good one.
Yeah, I have to check that one out.
I just watched a couple of days ago. Stefan told me about that movie. I watched it.
Do you like it, Milan?
It's all right. It's right. But The Big Short is much better. Much better.
What do you think?
Yeah, Margin Call is more about one bank, and
Yeah.
Big Short is about the whole event.
When I used to get that email, I would add another position.
Man, you fucking couldn't.
I used to flip accounts like crazy, bro.
Yeah, I know. Oh my god, I'm so fucking ill.
Fuck, Max.
I know, I'm dying. The margin calls for me. It's the same thing as like the leverage. So, like with IC markets, you could change your leverage like in like 2 clicks on the internet. So like, I'd go right 1 to 100, not gonna over leverage. Just do this every single day. You know, chill. If I ever go near touching changing that leverage, I've lost the account pretty much instantly every time. Every time I change the leverage higher, I lose the account. Every time. So yeah, when I'm doing this baby kind of YouTube kind of section, I'm gonna start it probably this week. Yeah, I'm gonna talk about leverage and stuff because it'll just save you a lot of aggro. Yeah. Orange juice and ginger, yeah. I always say I need to, but I just can't be asked to go get it. I'm so busy now. Like, I don't know why, but like, I think the work has just gone up a lot recently. Like, when I started this in like September, bro, I'd do the stream, I'd finish my other stream at like 1:30. But now, man, I'm fucking finishing my days at like 6 o'clock. I don't know why. I'm just editing shit and fucking looking at stuff, doing like webinars, and it's just like I've got no time to do anything. I'm fucking rammed. Like, I go to the gym, I go in the sauna after, and the day's done. I have to do it again tomorrow. So yeah, I need to find some more time somehow. Why am I broke a 0 pip spread on most of the time on GJ and Gold? Oh, I have no idea.
Don't complain about that.
Yeah, you should be excited. Yeah, this mouse is really fucked. There's too many customers, man. Oh, that's why. Yeah, it's because I get about 1,500 DMs every fucking day now. Half of them are useless.
Fuck's sakes, man.
I used to always like replying to people though, to helping people, but like.
No, but like, man, you need to message each other privately, man. Like, fuck's sakes. Like, I use my phone so often. My man, I didn't even send one message and my battery's down by 30%. It's like Gulag City, yo. It feels like
Back in the gulag, Jason. Back in the gulag.
Hey, I get gulag questions on Instagram every fucking day. But like sometimes they're actually not bad questions. So I want to look at all of them, but some of them are just like, oh my god, please, like, just like let's take a look at yesterday's messages. Okay, yeah, this one. It's like shit like this. My friend, I took a loan from a bank for training to improve my standard of living, so I did the entire amount of the loss, and accumulated debt I cannot pay. So, do you advise me to take more loans out? No! No more debts, you fucking idiot. No more fucking debts.
holy shit.
I know, I get them questions all the time, like, bro, please, stop coming into this fucking business absolutely skint, like, just make sure you have some dollars behind you, makes it much easier. And then he goes.
I was in a cafe. I was in a cafe one day, and the guy that owned the cafe blew 6,000 in a week on Forex, and he lost the cafe about a month later.
Wow. Yeah, like you gotta be careful with this shit. If you really can't trade, it's just going to the fucking casino. Like, there's people where I live right here who had like restaurants and shit, and they lost all their money just gambling. And it's like, you know, trading is very much gambling if you just can't do it. If you can't get your head around it, or if you're just putting random trades on all the time, it's just gambling. So you know, you gotta know that in the back of your head and go, you know what, am I actually doing this properly, or am I just fucking messing around? So yeah. Leverage just allows you to open bigger positions. That's it. Yes. Is it what that's in? Leverage won't matter as long as you use a low enough lot size, right? Yeah, but that's the thing, right? I get that a lot. They go, well, doesn't it just you know, doesn't it just, like, you know, allows you to do them, but as long as you do a smaller lot, right? But when you're starting and you're emotionally trading, you have the opportunity to put on a higher lot, okay? So when you're emotional and you've just taken a loss and you're pissed off and you want to put on a bigger one to make it back and more, if you have a lower leverage, it ain't gonna let you do it. You'll try and put the trade on, you'll press buy, and then the meta trader will go, nope, you're not allowed. It literally stops you. Whereas if you have higher leverage and you accidentally click a button, which is, you know, a bigger lot size, or you know, there's lots of things. Just keep it low. If you're really not over risking, and you know, you say you're using a wise enough lot size, then keep it a low leverage. Okay, 15-minute closing bearish back below. Well, it never closed above, but you know, back in the area. Not ready for a closure back in the zone though, because the hourly's still bullish and stuff, and it's just a nasty zone in here. Nasty. Nah, I did sometimes. Sometimes, like, I'd try and put on a 0.1 lot and end up putting on a 1 lot on my fucking 500 quid account. I'm like, oh my god! And then you look at it and you're like, in like 10 quid, 20 quid drawdown already, because you're down 2 pips. And you're like, shit, I don't want to fucking close this. And then you wait and then you've lost the whole thing. You're like, oh wow, great. So yeah. Is using 2 strategies better than 1? I don't know. I think there's no real answer to this. I think mastering 1 is better than using 2. But that's just my opinion. Make sure to like the stream up, guys. 50 likes. I know it's so boring, the charts. I know, trust me, I want to take a nice trade, but at the moment there's nothing here, and I'm waiting patiently. Apart from that gold absolute rocket, but didn't close above for me anyway. It would have been an impulsive trade. Max is trying to say he doesn't have a whole lot of love for high lot sizes on a small account. Yes.
Max, so what happened yesterday when you were showing all that skin?
What thing?
You were showing all that skin yesterday.
Me, I was feeling myself, man. I haven't gymmed for fucking 2 years. I met Mackies every single day for like 2 years straight, and I look like that, bro.
I was like, hey man, don't let Milan see this.
Hey Milan, I don't look that bad, do I?
It'll catch up with you.
This morning Milan is gonna be, you know, shirtless on the stream.
Me, I don't look that bad considering how fucking fat I am. Don't look too bad. Okay, hello, good morning, hello. I just got here. Do you have anything you're waiting for? Buys above on GJ, buys above on AJ, gold and sells later on. But that's pretty much it. You were looking sucked, fam. What the hell does that mean? Jump on a course. I get loads of DMs. I get loads of DMs on Instagram who are like, Max, I'll give you a I'll give you a fitness plan, a fitness workout if you give me free mentorship. I'm like, bro, I know what I need to do, I just can't do it. At night time, I like eating fucking shitty food. I just need to stop doing it, but I can't. I did it last night again. Like, just going in that fridge at like 9 o'clock and just absolutely fucking raiding it is just the best feeling of my entire life. So...
Do you have a joint every night?
That might not help.
What's up, Jason? Why you have a Serbian last name on your Telegram? Jasovic.
How much is your mentorship? $49.99.
How do I spell it?
You're Serbian?
Would you consider me as family if I was Serbian?
Yeah.
A black Serbian.
My brother from another mother.
Black Serbian. Yeah. Let's take a look up here. Oh yeah, what was that? Took 50 grand USD loan, then lose them in 2-month trading. What? Now struggle to pay monthly. Oh my god. 50 grand USD loan. Wow. I'm telling you, debt is not your friend. Debt is not a vibe. Please, for the love of Jesus. Do you have weekend activities with your mentorship? No, I ram it all into the weekdays. Weekends is for chilling and relaxing. So in the week it'll be 2 simulations. We're doing 1 simulation after this. All the signals are put in the chat. 1 webinar, 10 live streams, a homework normally, and a drop-in session every 2 weeks or 3 weeks. And then you also get access to the G Drive with all the webinars we've ever done, all of the simulations we've ever done, all of our trading entries. So yeah, that's £50 a month. So you get a lot of shit. It's not, and that's every single week. It's worth it. I wouldn't say I wouldn't say it was worth it if you've got like a £50 account. Then it's useless because the signals aren't going to be making you that much money. But if you've got like £1,000 or £2,000 account, then £50 a month, well, the signals are going to pay for it themselves. Like, look at my trades of last month. You can do the maths on like how much your lot size is and how much you would have made, and then you're also learning on the job how to trade properly. I have literally, how many people over here now are funded? I mean, I have a lot of people here are funded or nearly funded. I've got a load of people on phase 2 right now. Let's take a look over here. Oh shit. But yeah, if you take a look at like April, if this fucking wants to load, then you can take a look at how much you would have made with the lot sizes you would have done. Half risk on gold it would have been. And yeah. So yeah. And then obviously this month starting off already. Take a look over here. There we go. That was my stupid cowboy trade yesterday, which I'm very pissed off, and that should have been a fucking W with that trade before, which everyone else caught in this NY stream. Yeah. Okay, with 100 leverage and 10k equity, what lot size do you recommend to gain at least 8% profit targets? A 1% of your account, so a 1 lot. Yeah. I'm actually able to share like a Google Doc of that worksheet. I fucking wish I could, man, but does anyone know how to do it? Because I get asked this question about 15 times a day and I just don't. I press share and then I have to. Oh wait, it does work. Wait, let me just see if this works again. Because then I get like 15,000 emails. I get 50,000 emails saying like they want access to see it. Let me just see that. Here's the link. See if it works now. Bro, one thing that differentiates you is your decently sized stops. You can't take these ridiculously high stops that other streamers have. For that reason, I'm buying a mentorship. See you at the top. Nice. I generally think I think that is probably the reason why people join, right? Because my stops aren't massive. I think that's quite a big thing. So 30 minutes closing. Oh, it's got a nice little wick now. Oh, it's nice. Yeah. Gonna wait for the closure in 8 minutes time though. Yeah.
Come on, London, help us.
Says request access on the link. Yeah, for fuck's sake. Why can't I just give you it? Like, I don't care. Request access. I literally gave you. Get anyone?
Impulsively on a high is 13 pips. Stop loss on current week.
Is it?
13, 14.
Oh, nah, not 14. Fuck that shit. I'm just gonna wait for this hourly to close, I think. It's still not the nicest, though. Sure. It's still not the... Like, it looks nice on the 15 and the 30 to close above, but I don't know if I like the hourlies. Like, the hourly kind of...
You need to share the document with access. Edit access.
Wait, what?
I'll show you how to do that. I'll send you a picture on Telegram. Wait.
I've got it right here if you want me to...
Yeah, click share.
Yeah.
And then you need to do wait. Where's yeah, so all these people you see, all they're on viewers.
Yeah.
They need to be. This is a copy, right?
Yeah.
This is a copy of your job. Yeah. So they all need to be as like editors, so they can open it and then copy it. So you see the all viewers right now with that drop down.
Well, but that's people. This is all the people in the mentorship, I think. So I just gave the YouTube people this link. The thing is, I don't want to do editing because I know there's going to be some fucking retard coming in and then shagging up my thing and not just copying it.
So on this document, copy this document onto another document and make this your shared one, and then only share that copy one. Don't share this one.
Yeah, but you're still gonna have some idiot come in and destroy the copied version as well.
Yeah, that's the thing, isn't it? I might have to do some research. It's annoying.
They exist, man. You can't see
Even if it's been turned into a PDF, and then they could only draw on it or something, couldn't they?
Yeah, but someone says people just need to copy and paste it from the link. That's how I got it from Controller, easy as. Yeah, so Controller does it. Controller's an absolute tech whiz, though, man. I'm so shit at tech. It's just... It's ass. That's the one reason I joined, yeah. Stops on like massive. It's true. So yeah, we'll see. Waiting patiently. Ask Controller how he did it. Yeah, I'm gonna ask him. How did you learn how to deal with the push to revenge trade when you first started Forex? Bro, it took me a long time, I'm not gonna lie. It isn't like when I first started. It took me years to not revenge trade and stuff. And it's the hardest part. It was the hardest part for me. I know for some people it isn't. So if I have a little kind of look through people who I know here, Brian, did you ever have an issue with that? Revenge trading. So after you taking a trade.
In the beginning, and then like 6 months, 7 months in, I was like, I can't take 30 entries in a day and come out lost. Yeah. You know what I mean? Yeah. So take it seriously. That's what it is.
So can you see? So 6 months. So mine was a little bit longer than that. Mine took me at least a year. The hardest part there, I think everyone tries to ask it, like, Max, like what? Like I just took a loss there, and I tried to take a couple more trades, and I just fucked it up, and now I've just lost all my money from last week. And it's like, yeah, like
revenge trade, you don't come out on top. That's no chance.
Never.
It doesn't happen, never.
Yeah, and until you learn that from doing it numerous times and documenting it, you're never gonna do it. So what I'd advise doing is documenting it every single time. Go, I just revenge trade, I just lost again, and then hopefully, as you keep on doing it, you're gonna find a light bulb moment and go, you know what? I've done this fucking 400 times. I've lost every single one. Let's just stop doing this here. But it is hard. It is a pain in the ass.
Writing it down really does help, because after a while you get so fed up
of writing it,
taking that journal and adding another stupid
yeah.
All of a sudden you will go, there's a click in your head.
Yeah.
It's so wrong. I have to stop doing it. And then you put that little journal next to your computer. And if you even think about doing something stupid, you see
You
that
just look at
journal,
the journal.
and then you're like, no, I don't want to write another one in there. I'm just gonna wait. And after a while, you can throw the journal away. But it takes some time.
I used to print all my trades out in a day and put them in my diary on the day, right? And the diary just gets so thick, and you're not gaining. You're going nowhere. You're not getting anywhere. So why carry like 17 books in one? How thick it is? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then I just immediately said, okay, well, I can't do this, and I'm gonna take one trade in each session, and if it's a loss, I don't look for another trade. I just walk away.
Yeah.
And then really things did start to turn. It's what Roger says as well. 1 to 2 trades a day. That's all you need. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Then there's this, the pressure is gone.
Yeah.
And if you take a loss, you take a loss. But there's always next session. But don't try to trade so you can win back that loss, because then you're just gonna end up breaking even 10 times a day.
Yeah.
You're taking 15 trades a day, 14 break evens and 1 loss. What did that help you? Nothing. You lost the whole day.
Exactly.
I'll ping you a thing. This is what people need to start doing. Wait one second.
I'm gonna be nice because we are on YouTube.
This is what people need to say.
True.
If I can just add my 2 cents, I also like it also depends like if you are taking trading serious or not, man.
Yeah.
You know, like if you are really
say that.
you won't revenge trade, period. You know, so if you're doing it for any other reason, you will definitely revenge trade, you will not care. But once you are very serious about trading, you won't do that. You will stop that dumb shit.
Wow, that's sick. Yeah,
This is what I
great.
did for quite a while, like 2 little ones. But you have to do it to get data and figure out what's going on in your head.
Yeah.
Log everything, your confidence, everything, your sleep, your food, everything.
Yeah.
Because it helps. You're in a performance game. You're not in like, you can't just come up and go, oh, I'll take this trade and fuck off.
Yeah.
You just need to add a tab there. Heavy bender evening night.
Heavy bender.
Yeah. Am I still fucked? Oh my god, like a goal. GJ, sorry. Ah, it's just a shame of the area, but I mean, still look at this dirty clothes. Ooh.
It's nice, actually.
Yeah. Ah. Just makes a nice top wick.
The GG is shit, especially in 30 minutes max.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a look at some more things. I'm just because it's closing down that little bit. The main reason why I'm looking at it is because it's London Open, right? And the volume's there. And normally 7:45 if it closes always goes bearish. Sorry, if this one closes bearish, the next one always does. And that's what backtest in it, brav.
I'm gonna wait for AJ.
Ah, broken the low already. Great. It's okay though, because right now stops. Yeah. How much it stops? Yeah. Oh, they weren't that bad in the flip. It's kind of nice. Broken the low should continue down over here. London Open, very nice. I mean, if I knew that the flip there was 10-12, oh man, I should have taken that. And there you go. So this is a known thing that I've seen numerous times backtest, and when the 7:45 candle closes bearish, the next one always closes bearish as well. Or
Go for the retest, man.
Ah, fuck that. Oh, that was so nice. That fucking moved instantly. Nice. Let's do the 4 hour now. 4 hour nearly breaking previous 4 hour lows. That'd be nice. Flipping the daily. Let's take a look what the daily looks like now. Oof. Hello. Daily's flipping. Looking interesting to continue. Further down over here to 164.42. Yeah, it's a shame that it broke that low fucking instantly again. Oops, I sold already. 1k win. Nice. Where's your TP at break even? If you took the trade, it should be at break even now, and you should have taken some partials. Oh no, it hasn't hit 10 pips yet. Shit. Should be stop loss at break even at least.
GG shit.
GG shit, yeah, the zone is fucking garbage. Max, coming from day swing strategies, it seems that they are easier to make profits rather than this strategy. This strategy benefits only if you're very precise and know very well. Okay, fair enough. If 39% a month is low profits, then yeah, it probably is really low. So
I think what he's saying is this is way harder regarding the discipline and risk management.
Yes, but then he says it's. But then he talks about profit. He goes, it seems that they are easy to make profit rather than the strategy. So he means like you make more money swing trading. Trust me. Trust me.
No.
No. Yeah, I was thinking. Maybe this guy's another pit guy.
I know which one is growing fast.
Yeah. Holding on to 1-to-1 trades, swinging it, 1-to-3 trades, swinging it for fucking 2 days, or taking a 1-to-2 trade in 10 minutes and doing that 10 times every single week. Yeah, I know which one I would rather take.
Yep,
my camera.
That's why I'm still here.
Yeah. Let's take a look. So yeah, looking like it hasn't hit 10 pips yet, but it should do potentially. So the only thing there is you probably would have gone to getting on the flip. The flip would have given you a 12 pip stop. Yeah, and that's right at the 4 hour. Wow. But you know, if you're still a bit cautious, like you know, if you see here compared to like 2 weeks ago, mate, I would have been fucking placing these trades, I'd been flying. But because I know market conditions are very, very rangy, I'm sitting back, I'm relaxing, I'm vibing. And I'm just holding my hands, waiting patiently. Okay. So don't worry about it. I want you to hear that point of view, yeah. Because look, you know, even though that was a nice little push at 8 o'clock, and I might have taken that if it gave me more than 15 fucking milliseconds. The 4 hour time frame was bearish. The dailies was bullish at the time. It's still in this crappy area, so you know, if I don't take any trades in this area at all, then you know, I'm okay. We need a news event to break price out. It's so dead, yeah. Yeah. So there we go. Hit 10 pips finally. Very nice. Very jealous. But as I say again, look at the 1 minute time frame. I mean, I had literally fucking 0 seconds to get ready for that. I wanted a nice little top wick up here and then drive. Should come down now to 437. Very nice. Get out of the zone, GG. Oh, it's so choppy here, man. It's awful. Bro, you always miss a trade. Okay, bro. Well,
Lion cut. Lion cut.
Wait, what?
Go flying cut. Tell that I'd be go flying cut.
Rush, man, good lad. Nice. So the next resistance that gold should come to is, you know, 1847. Yeah. Hey Max, what's your view on gold? It broke the previous weekly close, but now retraced up. Are you short biased? Yes. Right, JA, you're boring me. Right. There we go. GJ moved very nice down. Yeah, it did. It did. I wanted it if this one made a nice little top wick here and then broke the low. Would have been nice. But it looked like, let's take a look. Kind of the same thing as what happened with AJ. Just before it closed. I mean, 1 minute before it closed. Did get a closure below. Made a little top wick, broke the low.
Do you see gold going back up to 1900?
No.
No.
Nope. Absolutely not. Daily time frame is just making the top wick to drive down to later on. Also, the daily closed below here. So we should theoretically drive down to this next support there. Yeah. I would not be looking at like buys of gold really. There's also news later on today as well at 1:30. So yeah. A little bit of news. Let's take a look at AJ then for potential sells. How would you get it? Nah, it's just garbage. You know how to drive manual, bro? Yeah, in the UK everyone knows how to drive manual. I think in the US, a lot of people just don't drive stick. Max, with your strategy, I make 3 to 4% a week on average, life changing. There you go. 16% a month. Very nice. Sweden or Finland. Maybe. Oh, that was nice, GJ. Did you get that, Brian?
No, I also missed it.
Yeah. Too quick, man.
I didn't really want stealth, to be honest.
You're looking for them buys, yeah?
Man, I was busy typing myself stop. Can you imagine, like, Max, you still type the signal, and then you still put in your entry. I must have by just wanting to put
exactly. So think of how I have to fucking do. I have to fucking.
So what happened was, okay, the candle opened, and I'm like, cool. I'm getting it on the flip, because I know it's making the top week.
Yeah.
My man, as I'm typing in, I can't enter the trade because it's already past the price.
Exactly.
Get in.
Yeah.
Like fuck, I'll just let it
But
go.
like those things, like when I was younger, would annoy me, right? I mean, it kind of did annoy me yesterday, to be honest with you, right? But oh my god, the good thing about it is, if this just gave me another like minute to enter, I would have got the trade, and my idea was right, my closure was right, the zone was correct, so everything about it was positive, right? So even if you don't take a trade, you can still see, you know, if this just gave me more than 15 milliseconds to enter, I would have made a winning trade there, and that's good. So these little trades that sometimes you miss out on just because the entry is just so quick, or, you know, don't get butthurt about it. The one thing you don't want to do is, you know, try and get pissed off or try and just getting in now on this candle when it, you know, it's already pushed down. You sound COVID sick. I'm immune to COVID. I got that GJ cell. Nice, Matthew. Good lad. It's funny how GJ and AJ are not like correlating right now. Or not much anyway. Max, do you use magic keys? Yes. Are you Australian, bro? Oh my god. No, I'm not Australian, my man. Wow, we got 400 people in the YouTube stream. Make sure to like up the stream, guys. 400 people. Sheesh. Looking like GJ's coming back down. Oh, this zone is so nasty here. Oh my god. I'm so jealous. So TP2 would be hit right about now. Yeah, around 20 pips. Very, very nice. Right at the next support. And that would have been the trade done. So nice. Sometimes, you know, I just can't get the entry because it gives me too much of a shorter time to put my sell stop there or get in there. And sometimes you miss a trade. But nice. Very nice. Move to the next support. Take a look in the 30-minute. You can see right at the next support. Beautiful. Just closed 90% at 15 pips. Beautiful. Very, very nice. So what's the next you're looking for? I'm looking for AJ buys over here with a closure above. Let's take a look how that hourly closed. Did it close bullish? Oh my god, it did. Yeah, okay. 30-minute also closed bullish, so yeah, hopefully nice closure there. Would be nice. Thanks, Tashi. Yeah, close full 20 pips. Nice, bro. You got them GJ cells. So yeah, let's take a look at the daily time frame now. Where are we heading? Where are we heading? Oh, could be filling up these wicks over here. What I expect now to price to do is to come down to this next support. It should be 159. Oh shit, 159. 930. that should be the target for today. So still got 50 pips, still a lot of areas. I just need it to clear this area of ass. Take a look at the left hand side. Yeah, so I need it. Yeah, and that's the level here. So I need it to clear. I mean, to be honest with you, cells below here could be okay because of how much volume is there. So we'll see. If I get a nice closure, nice top wick, I don't see why not. Below here, yeah, I want 430. Because the zone, I mean, I know this is ranging here, but I know the zone to the low is 30 pips, so it's still a nice zone. It's not like it's a small zone. So getting your 10 pips when we've got very strong candles can be a lot easier. So I may try and look for this over here in 17 minutes time, probably, maybe 15. Sorry, maybe in 2 minutes time if we make a nice top wick, but it looks like we probably won't get the closure yet. So may have to wait for the 30-minute close. But yeah, I'm just gonna put this in here now. So what I'd want is a closure below here, something like this. Next one makes a top wick up, flips, breaks the low, continues back down. Obviously, I'm gonna be taking my 10-15 pips very quickly because the price action in this area is pretty garbage. But because you have nice volume with the current candles, I don't see why not. Gold buys potentially. Are we closing above 1848? Oh, we are. Yeah. I'm just still so bearish on gold. Look where it's retesting. 1853. So for me, you know, what I gotta think is, you know, I could maybe get these cheeky buys until 1853, or I could wait for price to come to 1853, cause some resistance, and then ride this bitch all the way back down to the lows. That's probably what I'm gonna wait for. Yeah, looking like finally volume's kicking in over here. See, look at AJ. Oh, AJ not. AJ not so much. So yeah. You didn't sell a GJ, bro? No, if you go back in the recap, I had 15 milliseconds to put the signal in the chat, to put my sell on, and to look at how big the stops were. And unfortunately, it did it in the first 15 milliseconds. You see? Top wick, Bosch. Literally broke that low in the first fucking 10 seconds. So, unfortunately, sometimes I miss them entries. You know? Raja always says you should focus on one session because sessions moves are different. What's different between London and NY? London's very London for GJ is a lot stronger candles, big pushes, not really much time to enter. NY sessions are a lot more slower moving, easier to get closures and stuff. So yeah. So yeah. Hi bro, can you please explain just how you color your zones when marking them? Just at where support and resistances are. I'm looking at the body of the candles. And yeah, oh, breaking the low already, really? Really? Breaking the lows already, could potentially continue down over here. If it makes a nice top wick up to 530 and breaks the low, then I may try and get in over here. We'll see. Oh, Sasha New G. If not, I'll have to wait for this 30 to close. Looking like AJ is really respecting that area still. So, yeah, maybe be a little bit later until we get them buys. Are you trading gold as well today? Yep, I'm waiting for the sells later on though. Wow, looking like a lot of volume is coming in over here. Shit. Don't fill the zone up straight away, please. I beg. Ah, this is gonna run. Wow, what a stinking trade. Oh my god. If you just gave me more than 15 seconds to enter there, I would have been in that. Oh well. That was nice. Should come down now to 160, 114. I mean, if this next 30-minute closes somewhere like this, makes a nice top wick up and then flips and breaks the low, probably gonna get in, but we'll see. We'll see. 103 likes, guys. Amazing stuff. Pre-closure before. Yeah, Sashin.
Usually when I see when the charts are like this and I've missed my initial entry, I just close my MT5.
Yeah. So Sashin paid attention, right? So when we do the simulation sessions, literally every time we get a 7:45 bearish 15 closure, the 8 o'clock rips down.
Sir.
So.
And on the 15 as well. If you look at this all the 15-minute candles before, one broke the highs, closed below. The one at the top broke the highs, closed again bearish. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4 in a line.
Yeah, it was quite a nice top wick there as well, so I didn't know why I really needed a top wick there, I suppose. But
it's hard because I got in break the lows with stops above the current. It's like a 5.
Wow.
It's like a 5 pip stop, but it's worth it if the volume's there and it's just showing us that it's going to go down.
Yeah,
like, it was difficult though because it happened in like a minute. Less than a minute. Like it was quick.
Yeah.
But yeah, for you it's so much harder because you got to write the signal out as well. Like fucking hell, like.
Well, I have it there. It's just I want people to have time to like put the sell stop in, but so.
It's difficult, yeah, because.
Dude, I didn't even write the signal out, and I must.
See, I did. Like, look, it's there. Like, it's ready. It's ready to go. It's right there. It's just I need to wait for the closure. Because I need to confirm that it's closed below, then give the signal out, and obviously it's just not enough time. Whereas if I knew this was going to close like a minute before, then I'd probably put it there, right? But obviously I don't, so... I'm
in the habit of putting like my sell stops and my buy stops. Like I don't enter like manually anymore like I used to in the past.
Yeah, same.
So, because I want to get in at a specific price level, So... Oh man, if I was my hat, that's because my hat is gone.
Oh, sorry guys, fuck it up. Do you guys think it should be better for me to start my challenge next month or start now? I have no idea. If I had the answer to that, I would be a very rich man. So I don't have a fucking clue. It could be ranging all next month. So yeah, anything about FTMO and can I pass my FTMO this week or this month or this thing? It all depends on your charts. If the charts are ranging for 2 months, then hell no, you ain't passing shit. But in the last month, you would have easily. How do you know whether to go to 1 to 1 or 1 to 2 or 1 to 1? How the zones are, how big the zones are, how clean the candles are, how much it's moving. So, for example, here, it pushed straight into. It went to like 9 pips, 8 pips, and it was messing around. Then it blasted through 10. I think the first kind of TP there would have been 15 pips probably there, and then the rest would have been like 20. So, yeah, that would have been probably 2 to 1 because the zone's quite big, right? The zone's beefy. So yeah, man, where's this guy from with the accent who was speaking 2 minutes ago? He's from South Africa. It sounds like you have asthma, Max. Yeah, maybe. Golden 5 minute looks wild. Starting to find a little bit of rejection though, but nice. Did it actually close above now? Yeah, looking good. Breaking the highs now. Where would your stops potentially be if you're looking for buys? Oh, 37 pips in the current low? Hell no. I just finished a long for gold. Very, very nice. Very nice. So yeah, we'll see. AJ? Oh, shit. Another lower wick. Let's take a look at the hourly. Hourly's flipping now. 30-minute closing in 9 minutes time. Oh, why is it 9 minutes? Why can't it be like 3 minutes time? We'll wait, we'll see. But nice rejection. Can you see on the 30-minute time frame? Look at them rejections. Deeper pull backs in that area. Should be nice to continue to 91, 100.
Yeah, just watch out for the previous 4 hour. Go to 4 hour and see.
There. Yeah.
it's not that far away.
Yeah, it's 10 pips from here. That is true. And it's still very bearish. Look at GJ? Yeah, I am. So 50 minutes holding that level a little bit. Would you have got 10 pips there though? Oh, just about. If you're going on the flip. Stuffed all out on nice. Just because we're on GJ, good lad, Tommy boy. Very nice. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this 30-minute closure below. 30-minute closure below. That's why you go to funded trading push, and you don't have to. I don't have any time as a rule. Oh wow, is that what they do? That's pretty good. That's sick. Why do others not do that? Yeah, funded trading plus. People ask me some questions about that on Instagram. I'd never heard of it in my entire life. So. Interesting. GJ still pushing down, sorry. Ah, nice. So you don't have any time limit. That's pretty good. Time limit is the thing that would put me off. It's just like, bro, let me just vibe. Isn't the area below 164.35 of GJ a bit choppy? Yeah. Very much. So what I'd want here is a nice candle like this to make me a nice ass top wick, rejecting the previous zone, and then flipping. If it doesn't give me that, I ain't doing it. So yeah. But yeah, this let's take a look at this weekly now. And there we go. Very, very bearish. Nice. Very nice. ADJPY is perfect. The only issue is it's not in the trend. The trend's bearish, so that's the issue. But I mean, if it gives a nice solid closure and a nice top wick, I don't see why not. Can you explain what is cowboy entry? You need to buy the course in a cowboy entry. I'm joking. Cowboy entry. Cowboy entry is where you are guaranteed sweaty balls.
Sell it now.
yeah. Like, selling right now would be a cowboy. You just hoping it's gonna work. Where would your stops be, Max? On the top wick it makes. So if this candle closes, don't push this whole zone, please. This makes a nice top wick like this. That would be the stops. Oh my god. Don't fill the zone all the way up already. Oh, I'm so jealous of them cells there. Fuck's sake. Give me fucking 30 seconds to do it, man. The Owly normally makes a nice top wick, right? But I suppose the last candle already did it. This is good though. Finally breaking below 160-100 would be nice. Coming down to his next 4-hour support. I took GJ sell on the 5-minute. Oh, nice. 5-minute. Yeah, so stops now. It's kind of annoying because I want the stop to wick into this previous zone, and the stops are going to be way too big for that now. Jeez. Just flown. Oh, ADJPY rejected. Broken the low of the previous hourly time frame now. 4 hours bearish. Yeah, interesting. So where would you want to take sells on AJ? Oh, it's such an ass zone. This is probably the current area. Yeah, looking like GJ is just gonna run all the way down over here. But AJ and me. Look at I may just jump on the AJ bandwagon. Look at the 30-minute. Yeah, it'd probably be below there, right? These are actually kind of clean candles down to at least the daily flips. Look at the 50-minute. Little 50-minute support there. But apart from that, let's look at the hourly. We'll see. 3 minutes closing. Why not look at gold? It looks good. I told you 15 times. I'm not taking buys. It's just retesting 1853 and it'll probably reject. Like it did here.
And they'll buy you after 120 pips. Wish.
Yeah. Can you see? Every time it's a trend. 4 hour bullish, then the rest are bearish. Bearish, bearish. So I expect bearish to be here. Oh my god, this mouse. Jesus Christ. So yeah. So look what the daily's doing now. Oh, this daily's gonna flip. Yeah, I may try and look for these entries over here on AJ. Mock support on GJ 30 minute makes sense for an entry 163.30. Yeah, to see. So nice deep rejection, nice closure below the previous support right here at 667. Stop loss is gonna be. Oh, that's actually not even that bad till there. It's like 16 pips. I thought this was gonna be like 25 pips. Yeah, maybe AJ sells. We'll see. And then we should potentially come to the daily flip, which would be 450, which would be rather nice. Or even down to, I'd say about 410, yeah. So we'll see. Feeling the yen strength session, feeling the yen strength of this session, yeah, for sure. Bosh. Let's take a look at Goldie. There you go, Goldie retracing already. And GJ just very, very nice. So jealous of themselves there. Oof. Thing is though, I know that if it just gave me a little bit more time, I would have got that. So I'm not asked. We need a video about risk management and reduced losses, please. Yes. I mean, it's all on the mentorship if you want it right now, but yeah, I'll do some eventually. Doing videos on YouTube just takes fucking time, and at the moment I have 0 time, man. I'm working all day.
Yes, Max, I do like the zones.
I know, me too, bro, but if this gives me a nice
30 minutes, he has some resistance also.
I like the 30 minute though, it's closing below all here. I like the 30 minute more than the rest, because look, 30 minute support's closed below.
I know, I just don't like it also because it has some resistance at 578.
We'll see. If this breaks this low already, oh my god, I'm not gonna get in. I'm gonna wait. I want the rejection here. What should that be right now? Oh my god. Is that just lagged or not? Yeah, oh my god. This volume, this session, holy shit. Nice top wick, AJ, well done. I just literally write the fucking entries, nice, look back, red candles already broken the low, great. Let's take a look at this 30 minute close on GJ. Yeah, nice. What's the name of the soundtrack? This one here. No copyright lo-fi. I don't know what this actual song is, but yeah. And there we go. Well, that would be nice. Stop loss to break even. So many impulsive fucking entries just right at the start of these candles. Just not the way I like it. I like it giving me at least a minute. So GJ coming down, potentially breaking the low, but coming back to 161.12 would be the target you're looking for, I think. Mrs. Trade as well. Damn, yeah, it's just so quick, right? You can't get in quick enough. I mean, that one there, I don't even remember seeing it fucking making the torque. I just looked at it and it was down already. Yeah, straight away. So right at that level of support would have like stop loss to break even, because the fact that it could reject there, a little bit of a support, but it'll be stop loss to break even, hitting 10 pips right now. Yeah, wow, great. Well, this session is just so hard to get a fucking entry. You just have to go sell. Max, you said that if oh, did you? Fuck you.
Yeah, but I just put my stop at 9663, that previous support down there.
Yeah. Thing is though, Brian, I expected this one to wick back up there and then flip.
No, for sure, 100%. That's what I was also. But then when it started to go and it started to not push up, I was like, okay, let's just give it a go. Because AJ and Sims that we've done, we don't really get a lot of top weeks.
Yeah,
just look
true.
at some of the counters on the screen. There isn't any top weeks.
That is true.
I also got that AJ.
What was your price, Brian?
Let me just check my terminal. Give me a sec. Let me just put this history on. 9605. So just before it broke the low.
605, yeah. And just stops above current, yeah.
No, I put it by the structure.
Retest area?
No, it didn't come up as much, so I just put it lower by myself, under that support.
Yeah.
So then,
Nice.
shot man.
Very good, very nice. Yeah, let's see if I get GJ still. So the 30-minute close below.
I like I got in at 612.
You like what?
612. My AJ. I literally I entered manually, oops, and then 10 pips. Not east 10 pips stop loss. I wasn't even in drawdown, bro. But yeah, it was kind of like impulsive. I won't lie. So anything could have happened. But I said I'm bringing the volume, niggas.
If it retests 437 and then flips, I may try and take that back down the lows. Very impulsive session, yeah, man. So the thing is though, like the impulsive sessions are, you know, good for people obviously taking impulses, but when it's not an impulsive session, they get fucking wrecked. So you got to be cautious as well taking impulses. For sell cowboy, yeah. Now maybe this should retrace a little bit higher. Because this hourly now for me should come back down to 112, sorry. With 8 pips in profit, then break even. Nice. AJ hit break even. Oh, did it not actually go 10 pips? Oh, yes, it did. Yeah, it did. It went 10 pips. Oh, if you got on the break of the lows, maybe not. Maybe not. Wait, Tom, did you get on the lows? Oh wow, so it wouldn't even hit 10 pips. Okay, I feel much better now. Great. I feel much better now. See, that would have pissed me off even more, so I'm glad.
What it didn't last long, it was quick. It was like a quickie. You know, it's a quickie, Max.
Yeah, boy. So 5-minute candles on GJ are pulling up, but I always know that this hourly should eventually end up here. 114.
Did you watch the Liverpool game last night, Max?
Yeah. Damn.
Man, Villa was fucking playing, eh?
Yeah, man.
But I think Gerrard already had a team with a Villa teammates with his squad to say, guys, we fucking losing.
yeah. Give him the dub. For sure, probably you'll be in the talks, right? So, if it gets on this flip right now, it's 12 pips in the previous. 12 pips in the previous. Interesting. 30-minute is just making the top wick, right? But I mean, yeah, I mean, getting in on the flip would be, yeah, 13 pips is kind of a lot. Hey, what's he saying, my bruv? To your South African streamer. We have, I think, how many South Africans do you have in here? Like 4? Try and support though. Yeah, exactly, Connor. I mean, it's just theoretically, but it's too choppy here to take this. I'm just watching. I just want to be correct, basically. I'm not gonna be taking though, because if you take a look here, to the left hand side, I mean, there, but it's just nice to see if it would work out. You get me? What the fuck? What the fuck? The fuck is this? Oh, there.
Hey Max, you've been taking cowboy trades there.
I actually haven't. I'm fucking waiting. I'm waiting for this stupid GJ to give me at least 15 seconds to enter a fucking trade.
Maybe AJ or the previous low. The stop loss is smaller than GJ.
I don't know now. I think it's done the push, right? So it's kind of the same as yesterday. You know, I missed the initial push. So if I lose that, if I get in now, you know, I'm just trying to push it. Right, I'm just gonna quickly go to the toilet. Be 2 minutes.
Fill up the wick. Fill up this wick. Now 30 minutes. Going to retest, and then came back to fill up that wick. What do you think, Brian?
It's too late for any shit, Milan. Like,
no, I didn't take any trades today.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So the sessions moves, you've missed it. So it's cool, man. So we should just.
No, I really like this one. Now doing a retest. Maybe on the previous low, that's only 8 pips, 9 pips.
Yeah, the only problem is now the hourly is still, you got last 15 in the hourly. Do you think it's gonna flip the hourly in the last 15? That's the only issue now. All the yen pairs are retracing, but it's,
yeah, but because overall I'm so on AJ bearish. Tap that zone below daily.
So from what I'm seeing is, so on AJ on the hourly we basically
yeah, this is it. This is a retest.
Yeah, that's it. Same. That's it. Yeah, 4 hour retest, 15:30.
Yeah. So I'm seeing it as hourly.
How can I like it?
So if we do close below, we can fill that week.
But do you want it to close? You want it to close back above? The thing is, I'd only take it closing back above this.
No, what I'm saying is
because the issue is sorry, go on, Jason.
No, I'm with you 100%. But I'm looking at now at the hourly, so my zone is like below that area that you just mentioned. Are you with me? So where Max's zone is now, my zone is basically there. Yeah. So I'm looking at the hourly perspective.
I'm gonna take this one.
What are you taking?
AJ, or the previous low. Just did a retest.
Oh, there.
Okay. Now coming back to fill up that wick.
There's 4 minutes left. There's 15. Oof.
Exactly. That's exactly. So we're rejecting basically, and it's not like we've made a top weekend. We're driving down. We made a bottom weekend. We're basically retracing, man. That is my.
Yeah, I thought you were talking about buyers above. I didn't know you were talking about sells again.
Nah, fuck no way for sells.
Yeah, no, for that.
No, I like 30 minutes because it did a retest. Now making a wick. Just need some time.
Look at the 30-minute now.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, the move has happened, Milan. The move has happened. It's
Yeah.
done. Finish.
That's a massive thing as well. Just, you know, there's been two trades this morning. You had to be fucking right there, clicking buy, clicking sell, right there. If you've missed it, you know, it's hard because you just want to try and get in again. But that was the initial drive. That's the initial push. When you get in now, you're going to be holding some drawdowns. It's going to be a pain in the ass, and it's, you know, it's rejected. You know, I think for me, that's a big thing, especially yesterday, that trade that I took, fucking hell. So yeah, I'm not looking at this. Milan, have you taken any trades yet this session? Have you, Milan?
Say what?
Are you taking any trades yet this session?
No. Fuck no. No, I didn't. I don't like it. I don't like the charts this morning.
Yeah, they're hard, right? They're hard, right?
Yeah.
Let's take a look. I think it's going back up. Yeah, potentially. Well, the 15 is going to close in 2 minutes' time. If it closes above, doesn't look too good, right? Doesn't look too good. So we'll have to see for that. Let's take a look here. In the front hour and GJ, we're rejecting the support. Maybe we are flipping this hourly.
What is the hourly? Sorry.
The hourly.
Max.
Yeah.
So you see that hourly on AJ Milan. So we're still above that hourly area. So we kind of like rejecting now. So if we could have had a closure, then I would think of filling that week. Are you with me?
Yeah, but also check the daily chart, please. Check the daily overall.
The daily, it's very bearish.
It wants the daily to flip previous.
Yeah, and it needs to be further down here, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for.
That'd be nice later on though for NY.
Bottom week already, man.
Say what, Jason? Sorry.
So the fact that the daily has already made its bottom week, what are your reasons for wanting more sells?
Or just making a top week?
Well, it's just in a fucking crappy zone, right? But I wouldn't say that that's made a bottom wick yet. I'd say that's, you know, that's just a right at the opens. I think you know.
And so you got the 4 hour. The 4 hours
the low on daily. You break the low. So eventually, it's gonna come down.
The issue is you're right in between the 4 hour and the daily flips. You don't know which time frame is going to go either way.
Yeah, that's the main issue.
The 4 hour can flip high and you can go long, and the daily can go with you, but you can also flip bearish. But the 4 hour doesn't look like it's going to do that yet. So it's like
exactly. It's just hard. It's just looking for trades where it's just like, bro, the zones are just fucking shit. Which for me, you know, I'm sitting back. I can just chill here. I'm happy with that.
Cleanest is gold zone. That's the cleanest zone you have.
Yeah.
The rest of the zones are pretty ass.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I just said that the move happened, like the move we saw that happened so fast, that was it. We missed it. Bang. Move on.
Move on, boy. Exactly. It's what I like to see. It's what I like to hear. You just move on. But yeah, look, so this is now 15-minute candles, closed bullish, back above, breaking the previous high. Doesn't look good to continue down, does it? I mean, GJ still could be making the top wick for this 30, but 50-minute candle closed. Did it close above? Nah, it didn't close above, but it's breaking the previous high right now. So it ain't looking too good. Like you said, the move was made already. Exactly. Ooh, 50-minute close bullish on gold. So yeah, very, very impulsive session. Very, very hard to get in with much clarity and giving time for it to flip and then, you know, have your sell stop activated. You got to be impulsive, but sometimes you want to do it like that. It's fine. For me, I'm just gonna wait a little longer over here. So there we go. AJ back in the zone. Did this 30-minute close bearish? No, it didn't. Still bullish on Goldie. So looking like GJ maybe flipping again soon to continue back down maybe.
Yeah, even GJ has like an hourly support over there, Max. Just go to the hourly. Yeah, so if we close below, we could fill that week.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Okay, so look at the 30-minute now. 30 minutes about to flip. How much would stops be? 12 pips. Would you risk it? Probably not. Because 15 close bullish, but I mean, you'll see. We'll see. I think AJ would have been break even. Would you have got it on the break of the previous low? Let's take a look. Yeah, I think I would have. Yeah, I would have. So it would have been probably break even. Yeah. So that's okay. Why not interested in gold for buys? Because I know the overall trend's bearish. I know this motherfucker's gonna come down very, very nicely later on. So I'm just waiting for the sells. I've just you know, conditioned myself to do that. I like seeing the sells later. Okay, let's take a look. So 30 minutes flipping on GJ. Okay, so stops would be 12 pips for a potential 22 pip gain. Very nice. See if this works out over here. See if it works out. 115 would be the next level. So, but nice retest now. The only issue, that 50-minute didn't close above, just like AJ, so it could be a little bit better. And yeah, it should come down now. Nothing more to see for this morning. See you NY. See you later, Vincent, my man. But I think most people, you know, in this group are very, very disciplined and waiting patiently for a, you know, a good ass setup. You know, they're not just fucking trying to get into a shitty ass trade. They're just being patient. So yeah. Let's take a look at AJ now. Ooh, look how much that top wick was on AJ. Fucking hell. He's bloody having it. So yeah, we'll see. I love that you trade different pairs. I do the same as well, and it works for me. Yeah, exactly. Different pairs, but no, not a lot of pairs. You know, I'm not gonna get a lot of pairs. So hopefully, if this 30-minute breaks the previous low, should get that nice little drive. We'll see if you get it. I got 2 wins this morning. Happy with that, but need to be quick on the button. Yeah, well done, well done. If you got them, beautiful. If you guys didn't get them, don't worry about it. Those are very, very impulsive, and you got to be there on the ball, ready to trigger finger it. So don't be worried. Don't be worried. Let's take a look here.
I know.
Oh, Brian.
I know Milan is in Milan. Don't lie to us.
Wait, what are you in?
And I saw the 30 flip. I knew that I was going to trigger.
What, the 30 flip there? Yeah.
On AJ.
Oh, on AJ.
Yeah. Milan, are you at break even?
I'm not saying shit.
Milan doesn't know. Milan doesn't know what. Milan doesn't know what break even means, man. Like that. Let's go hard or go home. Look at the 30-minute. Yeah, it's just and you know, look, why is it like kind of fucking around over here? Well, just look at the left. The left, you know, it's pretty ass price action. So what do you expect? What do you expect, man? Let's take a look. How's the water tasting? Very good. I love. Let's take a look. I think AJ would have been break even. Yeah. Do you ever look at USD JPY? Private move, really nice and clean moves. I haven't really looked at it actually. No, I haven't.
Next to you have money.
What?
You have money.
I fucking know. My mum doesn't buy anything in this fucking house. Probably not.
Nah, because for the flame on your chest, man, like a teaspoon of honey, just like that. It's like
sorts it, right?
Healing, man, healing.
Healing, man. Okay. Come on, I wanted to finish this move for a nice little. Just to predict the story. The hourly should end up there. Later on, man, these sells could be nice if we just get past this level. Just needs to push a little bit harder below 160, 100, and we're gonna get a nice little push. Which would be rather nice. 15 closing at 8 minutes time. Still got a lot of time for this, so we'll see if we can finish it. Just buy anything else. Mate, I pay fucking. His dad might be in soon. Nah, he's not. Too right, Brian. Okay, so yeah, looking like AJ is flipping back up over here. Struggling. Have to see if it can continue, but for me, you know, it looks like AJ's going to come back in that zone. Back in that area. Let's take a look. Got 2 in this morning. Yeah, so people are taking them impulses. Well done, man. Very, very well done. You're on the ball. You're ready for that closure, and because you obviously oh my god, man, fucking mute yourself. Because you were, you know, looking for the move. You're looking for this right move. You took the perfect little entry. So normally when you predict what things are going to happen, like, you know, I'm going to get this closure, I'm going to get in on the low. When you've already got that in your head, you're ready to go. For me, obviously, I have to multitask 15 different things at once, which kind of sucks. But apart from that, you know, very nice. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, violate, 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 violate. For breaks, oh, it's already broken that previous 15 low. It just hasn't broken the previous 30 low. What do you think about GU? I'll take a look. Send me a chart. I'll take a look. But send me a chart and then I'll take a look, my man. So Wednesday still taking no trades in London this week. Those 2 entries there would have been nice if they just gave me some fucking time to do it. But apart from that, last 2 days have been pretty rangy. So that's all Gucci. So 6 minutes left for this 30-minute candle over here. Very nice. Very good.
I did AJ.
You did AJ.
Yeah.
Are you still holding?
No, hit stop loss.
Oof. Yeah. That 50-minute closure above there, don't fuck with that.
Yeah, I closed it 9 pips.
Yeah. Yeah. 122 likes again.
No.
Amazing work today, guys. Huh?
Today I am the cowboy.
Yeah. Karma's a bitch, Milan.
It's interesting. You know that 15-minute wick, the retest candle.
Yeah.
On Oanda, that's the wick touched the daily flip like to the pip.
Really?
So on FXCM your daily flip's a bit lower, but on Oanda, that 15-minute wick is exactly the daily flip.
Fucking hell.
So it's a bit tricky. I was just thinking, right, if you want to send signals quickly, if you put like short position or long position,
yeah,
right, and if you just double click, you've got all the stuff already there. So like if you do it now, if you go into just put a short position in or long.
What, in the chat?
No, on the trading view. So if you just put a short position in.
Oh yeah.
Like the thing.
Yeah.
And then just put it anyway. Like say you want to do that, and you just you drag wherever you want your TP and your whatever.
Yeah. Just
double click on it. Right, and then you got all the things there. So why can't you just screenshot that quickly, like Windows Shift S, I think it is. Screenshot that and just send that in. Surely that's quicker, and people can still read that still. There's an entry price, there's everything there.
Yeah, that's
probably
true.
Just don't have 2 TPs, but the rest is there.
That is true.
And that's rapid. You don't even have to type that out.
That is a good point. Yeah.
Because always every time it's got to be a quicker way that you can do it. Like
yeah, for sure.
The only problem is if you want to keep it like the same and have like nice format. Like, it's not terrible. Like it's got price, whatever.
Yeah.
I guess you also just said like you just wrote.
It's a good idea.
Sell now at flip. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then you can enter your trade and then edit the digits. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because everybody's gonna. I mean, if you're putting a trade into your phone, we know how we trade the stop losses and stuff, right? So it's not difficult. You've at least got the entry.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, interesting. We'll have to see.
In this situation, for example, as you talked about it previously a couple of times, if a candle closed below that support, then the sell would be valid. So if you had sent that as a previous, when you said the AJ sells possibly sells incoming, if you had stated that, then you had already pre-meant the warning. And if people did not get in, well, like we say, you cannot put the rod inside the water and push the fish and put it inside the mouth of the people. But yeah, I don't know. It's a complicated situation when you have to write the signal and enter the trade.
Oh, exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, plus the signal is basically like confluence, you know, like I don't think anybody should just be taking the signal for the sake of the fact that it's been provided. So for me personally, like there's many days where I see those signals and banger trades, you know, but then I didn't even take one of it. So for me, I prefer to be on the chart out my zones, etc. And whatever you send, it's just another confluence to me taking my trade. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So even when you say sells potentially or buys potentially, it's just as good as a confluence than you putting in the coordinates.
That is true. That is very true. Okay, so yeah, looking like things are a little bit struggling to continue down on this, but you know, why is this happening? Well, because the zones are crap, right? So just chill out. The zones are crap. If you get that initial push, you know, it's gonna be nice. You get that nice little initial push. If you don't get it, you know, don't worry about it. Don't try and get in second, because you need to get that initial drive. You get 0 drawdown, nice trade, Bob's your uncle. Now when you're trying to play, you're just trying to play in this crappy range, so it's just not gonna work. Hourly closing bearish, looking like it's probably closing below. But yeah, as I say, this zone is just no me gusta. It's just ass. But yeah, so just to go through this, what people realize. So this candle here closed below, made a little top wick, and then broke the lows instantly. People took the sells, right? This is the move I wanted. This is the move that everyone wanted. Nice push. That would have hit break even. Then this candle came up, hit your break even, closed back above the zone that this previous candle just closed. This confirms that now it should fill this zone up, and that's what it's just done. Okay, so yeah, always keep that in mind. Always keep that in mind. So next hourly, oh my god, this is kind of nice and GJ.
Maybe GJ now for buying.
Yeah, this makes a little wick. Oof.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm gonna miss it. I'm gonna miss it again.
Like AJ.
I miss it.
Don't you fucking dare. Right, how much it stops? Oh, doesn't matter. I'm definitely not going to take that. I'm going to wait until low wick. Also, remember guys, it's the start of the hourly time frame. So when it's the start of the hourly, you expect a nice little lower wick. I mean, it's already given me quite a lot of low wicks in either one, but we'll see. But yeah, buys to fill that range up back above would be rather nice. But I'd like the low wick first. I love my fucking Telegram chat right now. All these trades, like potentially every single one worked out. It's just a fucking entry. This may just run off over here, but I'm chill. I'm waiting for this low wick, because look at the hourly time frame. Yep, so hourly closed above, 30-minute closed bullish. So as long as this 30-minute comes back down here and then reflips, wow, would be nice. But it has broken the high, so it should continue up now. So I'm only going to wait until it makes a low wick. You want to go against the 4 hour on the daily? I mean, yeah, it's still at entry, right? I'd only do it if it was a nice lower wick here, but it looks like it's just running off. Take a look at AJ. AJ has closed back above again. I mean, how big is that AJ zone? How big is that AJ zone? Anyone seen? Let's take a look. Ah, it's a small zone. It's a small ass zone. But I do think the buys would be kind of nice on AJ. But what we could potentially do now is just wait for a closure above. Maybe the next 15 might do it just before we'd finish. Look at GJ. Oh my god. So this and this is what happens, right? This thing colorates quite well. So when there's no lower wicks or top wicks being made in a session, it normally, you know, it happens to all of them. So you can see here GJ, same thing again.
Stoneborough.
Daiso's in the building.
Having a wank.
I'm fucking waiting for these zones to break, boy.
Thinking about AJ could get in, but I don't know.
Yeah, it looks nice, man. I like this. So I like this. You know, I like this rejection wick here. Nice. The only
I think he's on Discord.
Oh, it's Daiso.
Yeah, he's talking about it.
Fuck's sake. Yeah, I think it buys above here now, because now what we're doing is we've got the rejection. So if we do get a closure above here, I think it's going to be nice. So I'm going to wait 15 minutes. And we may finally be able to have a fucking trade. Wow, gold's still coming, but I just think eventually it's going to run out of volume. But so, where would the buys potentially came? I mean, it just didn't close above there, so... Got on the 30 as well, 30 didn't close. Yeah, for me, that's probably a no-go. So now on AG, this will be great for above now because we've just rejected the lows.
Yeah, it also picked up over there.
Yeah. Much nicer.
Anyway, cheers guys. I'll see you guys in the simulation.
See you later, my boy. Yeah, we'll do it like 10 o'clock.
See ya, bro.
See ya, bro. So 30 minutes still hasn't broken the previous high yet, but if it does, it should push up to 1790, and then hopefully we can maybe get a little trade over here. We'll see. Max, look at the hourly on gold. That was the entry. Max, you need honey with lemon. I know everyone's saying I need honey coming out of my ass. Look how gold is struggling at last week's low. It's rejected at the exact same level. It seems to have lost its volume though, so we might get a setup in NY. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. It's done this again and again. Trust me, I could put on a high amount of money that when you go and control the stream tomorrow, today, later on, he'll be wanting sells back below, fake out into the zone to fill it back up. I promise you. Oh yeah, because look, the daily now has made the top wick. The daily's made the top wick. It's keen to the previous resistance area. Yeah, I'll be looking for some sells later on for sure.
I got 8 pips, 9 pips on GJ Max.
Oh, did you get on the break of the high?
Yeah.
Nice. How much was your stop?
Oh, current low.
Wow, nice, man.
No drawdown.
No drawdown.
I got the GJ as well.
5 pip stop. On the 5 minute.
Yeah.
Oh. You all got it!
Everyone goes silent. I love it.
We all fucking sit there in silence. We're all fucking taking the same trade.
Retracing, like I got him on the break of the previous high. Now we're retracing. I'm like, fuck fuck, man. Still with it.
I was like 0.5 pip away from getting beat break even.
This is probably the week where you're going to be losing a lot of your account gains from the last month that we traded here. So just sit out, wait until it gets better, and you're going to have some nice ass trades. Oh, AJ, come on, bitch. Break the 4-hour highs, boy. So not 4-hour highs, 4-hour flip. Look at this 4-hour flip. Made the lower wick. Oh my god. 50-minute time frame closing in 5 minutes time. Come on, close up, bitch. I swear to god. Goes there. He is getting giddy, man. Where's my coffee? Oh, there. Let's take a look over here. Let's do. Where would you look for taking cells in gold? Where would I look for taking cells and gold? Back in the zone. So it'll be later on, you know, not nowhere near now. Don't look for cells now. It'll happen near NY. But it'll be below, I mean, 1846 probably, let's say. 1846. Clean zone, clean area to push. Yeah. Four minutes left for closure. Looking good. Yeah, it's looking good. Very good. Just needs to hold his horses a little bit. Fake out happened on GJ. Yeah, but you know, when with the charts, why does that happen? Well, because the price is just awful in this area. If you want to get in trades in this area, get the nice drive down. When it starts fucking about in here, do not, take these trades. Why? Well, just look to the left. You would have done the same thing. So look, let me just take a look at a drive down. So there we go, drive down, then fucks about. Drives down, fully there, and then fucks about. So you got numerous amounts of data telling you that it messes around. So just chill. Let me just chill this. Ooh, who is that? Ding! Ding! Naughty! You take a ding, ding! Margin call, ding!
No, just preparing my magic keys.
Yeah, fuck, I'm preparing mine actually. Fuck, I'm not missing this fucking one.
We all say that, Milan. We all say that.
Yeah. Ding, ding! Someone's getting ready. If this doesn't close strongly above, man, fuck that.
Yeah.
Frothing over AJ, man.
Nick, I'm so sorry, no, but that GJ buys was nice, man.
Well, right there. Don't worry, I got one as well, but I'm not going to tell you what it is. Fucking cunts.
Did you get that, man?
Nah, I got a I'm not gonna say because I love getting told off and I'm kind of out, but it wasn't GJ. Let's just say that.
AJ. You got that, Rick. I know you got it. I know it. All the beans, boy. All the beans. I knew it.
Close, bitch. 2 minutes left. Come on. Because if I get a close here, my runner's flying. I'm gonna enter another position. Nah, I'm joking.
Oh, you got it on that flip. Miss GJ. Check AJ quickly.
Yeah.
Distract Max so he doesn't get in the extra trade.
If you fuckers called that gold trade that you guys were in there, I would have called the AJ, you cheeky cunts.
So it's like that now.
Yeah. Oh my god. Right. Come on. Right, this is time to blast now. Minute left. Come on, bitch. Not blast too much, by the way, because I want to get an extra entry here. But just a little bit higher there, man. Even like here is just still a bit like, oh, come on, man. I need a nice strong ass candle. Yeah.
Yeah, but that max, that 1 hour resistance, it's kind of 8-9 pips. TP.
Yeah. Wait, what?
Did you hear anything, Max?
Oh, there. What?
Yeah.
Did you hear anything?
Yeah. Because at the highs. I got 10 pips. I mean, if not, then I might just wait for this 15 and this 30-minute candle to close. Yeah, fuck it. I'm waiting for GJ, flip to sell, and fill the wick. Oh, someone's looking for sells. The only issue on GJ is it's closed right at support, right? Can you see? Right at support. That is the only issue you have. No, the 5-minute time frames. So 50-minute closed bullish, didn't close above, so yeah, man, gotta wait. Gotta wait. A little longer, and we'll see. Gold about to fly again. Oh my god. Has a retest of that level yet, or has it still got some time? Yeah, it's still got like 27 pips. I mean, if that 50-minute makes a nice little wick and breaks the high, I don't see why not. What would this stop speed? 27 pips. 27 pips on a 9.15. AJ not looking the best right now. Yeah, you just gotta wait and see if this 30 closes above. If it does, great. If it doesn't, then I'm just gonna leave it. And I know when we're doing this simulation session, someone's gonna get them fucking buys.
Oh man, this morning everyone's quiet and everyone's in their own fucking joint.
Everyone's in there. Buy, sell.
So good. You can see everyone just goes quiet and like, yeah, I took that.
Yeah, fucking my
Everybody's stealthy in the group. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I think you don't want anybody like to take an L, you know.
Yeah, that's the thing, man. But when you take that W, you're like, I fucking got it, fuckers, and just like.
Yeah, exactly. Also, like, I think, because the trade setup was not like ideal, man. Like,
no, it wasn't.
Like perfect, to put it that way.
Yeah.
So you don't want anybody to like
depend on you.
Yeah, exactly. So if the trade setup was ideal, man, I would recommend.
Yeah, a lot of us we know each other's trading stuff. So when there are break-evens and losses, they are tight, they're small. You know what I mean? You're not taking these 20 pip SLs and stuff like that.
Yeah, you guys stops there like 5 pips. That's fucking sick.
5 pips, yeah. It was worth it.
Yeah, 100%. Like also now that AJ, man, we faked out, you know. So I would have. If I looked at AJ then and there, like I was in the GJ buy, like at that fake out area, let me just annotate, Max. Just stay there, Max.
Oh wait, where? Here.
No, on AJ. You are now. So that fake out area. So price closed below, we closed above. I would have been in there. Stop loss there.
Yeah.
So Jason, hey Max, what do you think gold buy on the high?
Well, you give me fucking 1 millisecond to look at it, but yeah, I mean, I just don't like buys on gold. I mean, I'm just waiting for the sells later, but they could work out. That's a nice setup. Yeah, I mean,
and you've still got some time to go to the 4H raise.
Yeah, I mean, how much should stops be on the previous? 10 pips right now. Yeah,
that's okay for gold.
I'm not going to take it because I haven't taken any of these buys specifically because I just know sells are going to come later. So there's no point in me doing this now when it's fucking ran like 300 pips.
What's really putting me off is that one wick 3 candles, 4 candles are staying in between that wick.
Yeah.
All trading in between.
Yeah.
None of them have broken out yet. It's like,
Taps that and just rejects. Oh, it's horrible.
Yeah.
And gold loves that.
yeah.
Gold loves that shit. Right, just look again. Gold 15 minutes stop positive breaks previous high. That's what people are looking at, but for me, I'm not gonna. Did it actually break that high there? Yeah, she would have lost. You've been 10 pips drawdown already. For me, it's getting close to that where it could reject. You know, it's tapping that wick. It's it's nearly on these wicks. Whoa. So yeah, I gotta wait a little longer. Let's look at the 15s then. Did it tap like 10 pips and then just chill? So. Oh wow, yeah. Straight at 10 pips, boy. GG on the break of its own hour low. No, it's right at support, man. That would scare the living shit out of me. You know, right at support. For me, it's a no-go. No-go zone. Let's take a look over here. GG on the break. On the 1 hour low, nah. It's just right next to support. I'm just not doing that. So looking like AJ is still not having the balls to do it yet. So 30 minutes closing in 9 minutes time. Probably gonna leave it now, just in this zone. I do think it's still gonna come above, but yeah. Take a look at the 5 minutes. I'll give it three or 4 more minutes, and then I may just leave it if I know it's not going to close above. So yeah. But yeah, very impulsive session today. The opportunities are there if you were there ready to click on that bitch, but if they weren't, just sit back, chill, relax, all good. Oh my god, that's so funny. I was watching Daniel Savage's latest video on advice on how to overcome consecutive losses. I commented that he forgot to mention one way to deal with it was to rage quit and delete the stream. What's your opinion on City buying Erling Haaland for 51 million? An absolute fucking steal. Paying fucking 100 mil for Grealish. What a bargain that was.
Such a bargain.
They got in there straight away. They were not fucking about, were they?
I cannot wait to see him in the Prem.
Yeah.
Sick.
He's gonna fuck shit up.
Every time I watch him, I'm like, God, you are something. Like, because he's massive as well. He's like 6'4".
He's a Prem player. He's a Prem player.
Yeah,
he's, like a beast,
he's aggressive.
He'll
He's
do
like
damage, bro.
Yeah.
He'll be shrugging the defenders off like nothing.
Yeah, he's sick. Yeah, he's pretty dope.
But like a lot of players like Lukaku, they come to the Prem and they don't do shit, bro.
Yeah.
Like some players ain't Prem players.
Yeah, Lukaku he just didn't really get in the vibe, did he? He kind of just.
Every time he comes to the Prem, he's just shit.
He's not aggressive enough, and he's got an aggressive physique. You know what I mean? Like he's not like fucking rush. He's always on the floor, and it's like, get the fuck up, man. Like he's too much.
Touch is shit.
Yeah, his touch is fucking shit.
He's got donkeys.
To either West Brom or Everton to be a top player. Nah, because he was good there, man. And you know, in these kind of teams, he's the main man. Just like at Inter Milan, he was the main man. Where you come to bigger clubs where, my man, this is not a one-man team anymore where people just play off you, you know.
Yeah.
So I think, like even with Belgium, he's good. His goal scoring record is good, but there's too many other players that are just as good. So you don't get that limelight, man.
Yeah.
Whereas the lesser teams as like West Brom and Everton, we did exceptional at. He's kind of like the standout player there, man. You know.
Yeah.
So I've seen.
Jason, I miss you so much.
Me, I miss you too, man.
That is a unique accent.
So I've noticed like these memes where they always like that Harry Maguire.
That was such a great fucking
man. So that is one thing.
Harry fucking Maguire.
That's hella funny, bro.
Oh, that is jokes.
Harry fucking Maguire.
Come on, AJ, break it.
Come on, AG. 5 minutes left. Come on, get them
So hard
legs.
session.
You what?
This session is so hard. You said.
Yeah, it's very hot. It's not like a easy close. Now wait for the low wick. Now push.
Cowboys
It's
session.
like, it's just
This
like
is a
fucking
Cowboys
buy,
session.
fucking sell, fucking buy, fucking sell. You have 0.00003 milliseconds to take the sell. Go now.
I took 2 impulsive entries, 1 GJ buy and that AJ sell, but 8 pips on my AJ and 9 pips on my GJ.
Oh,
So I had to
that's
take 2 trades for kind of like a target, you know. And usually during London, I will just take 1 trade, but I was
Squeezing pips out of range.
decision.
Yeah. Pep never plays with a striker. Even when he had Aguero, he struggled to play. It's just City flexing their cash. Nah, man. They need someone. Have you not seen how many balls they get in the fucking box, and they don't have some more big slab head?
Yeah, they need power.
Yeah, they've got fucking Sterling to header in the ball. He's fucking 5'3" or some shit, 5'2". Like fucking
what they
beefy
need.
ass Haaland, an absolute nuthead. Like he's.
That's
Mate.
why I can't win the Champions League, mate.
They just need that, yeah, they just need that, like, extra little bit of just quality of just fucking twatting the goals in.
Yeah, they need heart. It's a plastic club.
Everlasting club. And like that, like I think Grealish is actually going to do a little bit better. That Champions League at the end, he actually played all right. But like, I bet like when he stepped, I bet when he stepped in there, he felt the upgrade from fucking Aston Villa and then going there. He like, oh my god, I'm with the G's now. Like, I thought I was good. These guys are good. Like,
Yeah, like you can't shine in the City team because the whole team's fucking sick. You
yeah,
can't
this
shine.
team is fucking...
You're just another player, innit?
Yeah.
Whereas he was shining at Aston Villa.
Yeah.
Also,
Yeah,
I
they
think with
need-
Manchester City, they pass the ball around so much.
So much.
Whereas at Villa, he could carry the ball for fucking 60 yards. He spent so much time on the ball, whereas with City, fuck bro, after 2 seconds you need to make that pass.
Yeah.
You know, and I think he needs to, because he needs to now adapt to how City is playing. It's making it a bit more tough for him. He can't express how he plays, and just like with Lukaku, he's not the focal point in that team, but he's good. You know, he's not great. He's fine. You know, so he should be. In
How
a
much did they
team
pay for
again
him
that-
again?
Fucking 100 million.
No,
quid,
Lukaku.
Man. Oh, 90
I like
million.
Lukaku.
90 million
so
for
silly,
him. Oh my
90 or something.
god.
Mate, Lukaku is a donkey, mate.
Wait, he's fucking shit. He's fucking shit.
Donkey.
Oh my god, it's 10
Like
pips in the
Lukaku.
previous.
Come on, AJ.
It's 10 pips in the
I like
previous.
Lukaku.
Nice.
Lukaku is good. Like Phil Masinga, South African player. Remember that guy, Jason?
I do.
Benny McCarthy.
Benny McCarthy is a fucking legend, man. Champions League, FC Porto, man.
Bro, that accent is fucking
Man United.
Yeah.
Then,
Why have you got a stronger accent than Brian? Is Brian like a little poshy?
He's fucking he's foshy, yeah, definitely.
Oh my god.
Asshole.
Oh, that accent is jokes, bro. It's like fucking 3 accents mixed.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? It's sick. At the
I
start,
can't
I couldn't understand him, but now I do.
Yeah,
Well,
I
at the
struggle.
start, I'm like, what the fuck? It's when you say,
running down the road with a TV on his back.
it's when you say fucking 15 or 30 minute time frame. I don't know which one you're saying. I kind of just guess. you go, yo, bro, switch to the 30-minute time frame. Like, oh, what the fuck did he just say? You say 15
No,
or 30.
like obviously, I need to communicate in a way where people can obviously understand me.
It's like he's speaking on times 2, so fast.
Yeah.
I can
No,
go.
but that's South Africans. We do speak quick.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
thought
man.
that Jason was Indian.
Jason is Indian.
Oh, it does sound a bit. It does sound a bit.
Yeah.
Fuck off,
Like Apu from Simpsons. Hey Milan,
Capu
what are
on
you doing?
Simpsons. Oh my god.
Hey Milan.
Oh, GJ is flipping. Shit. GJ's flipping, but I'm not taking that. That's right support. I'm looking at this AJ bitch.
Come on, AJ. Fucking close your stitch.
This
Yeah,
better.
man, let's take this together. Come on, AJ. Man, where's my?
One more minute.
Please make a low wick and don't break the high fucking instantly. Oh, it's just crossed it there.
You know,
Sing
bitch.
it. Sing it.
We can only hum it. We don't want Max to get banned.
Here we go.
Okay.
7. I'm just gonna do 726. Okay, make a low wick, pussy. Breaking the highs already. For me, I need to wait for a low wick. The stops are way too big. 13 pips. This may just rocket here. Take a look at the 30-minute. Yeah, we'll see.
I don't like the 5-minute on AJ.
I agree.
But I mean, you guys don't seem to have a problem with triggering, so go for it.
I'm waiting for a low wick here.
Max, you wanna buy this cowboy?
Not yet.
It's gone quiet again.
Not yet. I'm getting it ready though.
Silent
I'm
traders.
wanting more of a lower wick.
Maybe put a sell stop on that resistance below.
Come on, bitch, push down. Look at GJ. Look at that GJ reversing, man. I was like, hell no. So it'd be like 826. Let me just remove that. Come on, come down to like here, 778, and I'll be happy. I know you mean with that fucking 5-minute being there though, but if it makes the lower wick and then flips back up, it's doing different to what this did. This made the lower wick and never came back.
Max, if you go on the 30-minute, they just go to the left
30-minute.
on AJ. Yeah. Look at that area there to the left. That just annotate. There, yeah. So resistance.
I know, but I think it's finally closed above. It should pop maybe here, but I just need this lower wick. If it breaks the high and continues, that's fine. If it comes down to like here, I'm gonna be interested. Because when it reflips, it's rejecting this zone and it's flipping out of the zone. Got the closure now. Now just wait for the lower wick. It's not enough yet.
Man, I see we got a new bird.
Ah,
babe.
gold! Nah, it's not yet. Later on, 9:30. I hate trading gold. I have to wait later on.
Maxi.
Huh?
So I see we got a new bird in the group.
I think we've got a couple girls now coming in, which is good to see. Yeah, well, I mean, look how many fucking people we've got now. 135. If you go back like 3 months, that was
Fuck
only like
people,
80.
just hit buy.
Just
Max,
hit.
I really do not have control over what he says, so I
We know.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Just hit buy on a high.
I really don't know him. I just met him yesterday.
Well, getting in the flip would give it 11 pip stop.
In the flip.
It'll give me an 11 pip stop. I'd want to push a little bit further, at least a 790. Oh my god. Come on, boy, make a nice little low wick, pussy.
This is the god saying bye, Max. The dog is saying bye, Max. The god. The dog.
The dog.
The dog say bye, Max. What the fuck you waiting for? Bye.
Come down a little bit more, bitch. Okay, it's gonna be like 11 pips, right? Beautiful. So now it's making a low wick. If this reflips over here, I've got an 1823. I'm gonna get into a buy. Stop. I'm gonna get into buy here. To continue bullish. Stop loss is gonna be below here. So like an 11 pip stop. So we'll see. Okay, I've entered a trade over here. Five-minute time frame pushing up. Finally a break above. We just get rid of this buy stop because it's not here anymore. Who the fuck's got a yappy ass dog?
Oh, fuck me, sorry.
Breaking previous hourly highs. Run, bitch. Ah, my fucking shoulder. Got a small scalp down on gold. Nice. Well done. Paying attention.
Okay, I just want to make sure I'm in the trade.
They're having a domestic as fucking trade. I want to make sure I'm in the fucking trade.
I'm explaining her.
I always tell him to mute this mic, and he never does.
He never does.
Sorry.
I know he fucking doesn't. Because I can hear you guys speaking fucking Serbian half the time. I'm like, shut the fuck up.
I just met him yesterday.
Run away from Milan.
She's just saying, what the fuck? What should I do? I'm in profit. No.
A 4-hour res for sure.
No, I'm getting used to these magic keys.
I just bought her magic keys, so she's.
Nice.
What should I do? Should I close custom when? No.
Just shut up.
Just shut up. I got late entry. I got slipped 2 pips.
Oof.
You deserve
I'm 4 pips right now, profit. 4.
You deserve it, Milan.
Fuck off.
Right, I'm coming up to stop loss to break even, I think.
How many pips you have?
6. The reason why I'm doing it now, yeah, I'm going break even. The reason why I'm doing it now is because just the left hand side, the overall trend is still bearish. So this can reverse, quite quickly. I wanted that nice little drive. Sheesh! Sheesh! Sheesh!
W. That's
That's
a
a
W.
dub.
Yeah.
What was that? 0 drawdown? What was that? Oh my god, a whole lot of game. I'm closing. I'm just gonna
Whole
close
lot of
full over
game.
here. Whole lot of game shit. I'm just closing 100% over here. I mean, yeah. Right. Very nice.
Whole lot
Well
of
done,
game.
guys. Just took a beautiful trade over here on AJ. 10 pips caught. Beautiful work. Very, very nice. TP hit. Let's go. Dubs in the chat. Come on, let's go, guys. Well done for guys staying on. To be fair, there's actually 342 people here. Everyone kind of stayed on, so well done, guys. Patiently waiting. Finally pays off. Right, put some dubs in the chat. Put some dubs in the Zoom. Amazing work. There we go. Patient pays off finally. Very nice. Waited patiently for this for ages. Now it finally worked out. Well done, guys. So the reason why I'm closing, let me just tell people actually on the thing. 1 second. Let's take a look to the left-hand side. Yeah, right at that 4-hour res. So I think I'm probably just gonna tell people to close around 10 pips. Yeah, so the 4-hour resistance is there. Is it going to break it right now? I mean, it may do, but it is right there, you know. So the probability that this continues and flies is probably quite low. So there we go. So it was risk-free. It was taken nicely. 0 drawdown. I need some more W's in this YouTube chat, man. I need it flowing.
Yeah, these
I
relays
want.
get way too much
Yeah.
free stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, man. The controllers one gets tons, man. I need more people to fucking spam that bitch.
Yeah, the patience pay off, Max. Congrats.
Yeah, man. That's what it is. Patience, boy.
I got slipped by 2-3 pips, but still I'm in profit.
Nice.
I got slipped by 2-3 pips, but still I'm in profit.
Man, Milan, close that trade, man.
I did. I closed it 100%. It's 8 pips.
It's fine, man. It's fine.
I got slipped by 2-3 pips.
Oh,
so.
someone's still holding it on over here because your entry's a little high. I'd be careful. Just go through, Louis. If you hit this trade break even, are you going to be pissed off? Just in case, because the 4-hour is right there. You know, it could. Oh, right. Okay, you might get the push now. You might be all right.
Max, who you talking to?
What?
Who you talking to?
This guy in the chat. This guy in the chat here, Louis. Where is he?
Oh, it sounds like your mic is in the next room.
What is it? Look, it's sounding shit.
Sound shit, man.
Does it? Oh shit! I might have
Sorry, man.
I might have fucking done something there. So.
You sound fine. You sound fine here, Max.
It's just your shitty Wi-Fi in South Africa, Jason.
Wait, I got thing here, motherfucker.
Fiber, bro. It'll be back to copper wires tomorrow because they'll be fucking nicked by all the people.
Man, I got 100 meg.
Oh my.
Ah shit.
Nah, if fiber was copper, bro, they would fucking steal that shit.
There we go. Very nice. So just let me just go through this, guys, before you guys leave.
Yes, please. Also, listen here. That 50 minutes, I had a zoner, so I wasn't gonna take this trade because of that 30-minute to the left. So if you go on the 30-minute,
wait, did you not take it? Did you say 30 or 15?
No, like obviously the trade was taken off the 15. But if I look at that resistance over there that I mentioned to you earlier on,
yeah.
Why are you not bothered about that?
Because of this.
You can still run to it.
It's because of what's happened before. So you know the rejection from here, the strong candle closure above. It's been holding this area for so long. I'm happy to. Yeah, when we get to these levels anyway, let's take a look at what level that actually was. Right, let's take a look. So 845. So around about. I mean, yeah, that's kind of early, I suppose. But I don't know. Mainly for me, it's the candle strength right now and the closure above that I care about most. To the left hand side, I can manage that. So if for example, we get to 845, like pretty much in them areas areas here, and we start rejecting, then I'll just be having a break even or I'd close it at a loss. I think it's mainly the strong closure above on the 30-minute. The first candle closing above in fucking ages normally gives it the momentum to push, right? So if this got like a weak ass candle here again and then it fucked about, then I probably wouldn't. But because I had a nice strong candle, then it was good. So Brian, did you take this?
Yeah, 15.
Did you use current stops or previous?
I used previous and then moved it when it started going.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, for people, I got slipped. That's normal thing. I got slipped 2 or 3 pips, so that's normal thing.
So like now, like in this case, I wasn't I took the trade, no, but I wasn't comfortable because of that area. So because I had that 30-minute area over there, it basically your buy was kind of like colliding with where I wanted to get in. So to me, that was an area of concern for me.
Yeah.
So I just wanted to find out like why were you so comfortable?
Yeah,
so
I think if I had to put it into like a sentence, it would be the strength of the candles.
No, but I understand, yeah.
Yeah.
I do get it now.
Yeah. You can see right now it's like hovering in this area. It may just actually break up and continue to 191, 100. It may do this, but you know, be safe with this 4-hour, man. You know. Also the overall trend. When I'm going counter trend in the trade, which it is, you know, it's counter trend. I knew it was. You know, I'm gonna be more cautious. So, for example, I put break even a little bit quicker. I'd, you know, close partials or close a lot more at, you know, TP1 because of the fact that I'm going against the trend, and like it'll feel like a force is against me, right? Like, you know, like this kind of shit. Because
the 4 hour is gonna close in 50 minutes.
Yeah, if this 4-hour closes above, oh my god. That could be kind of nice. Okay, so I'm going to leave it off over here. I'm going to start the simulation in 45 minutes, kind of get some food and like chill out for a bit. And then we'll do the simulation. And then, yeah, we'll be back doing NY sessions. So if you guys do want to join us in NY session, make sure to come and join the mentorship. All the trades are called out in the chat. So, yeah. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you very much, guys. Peace out, man. See you later, Zoom. Craig, is Craig in here? Did Craig take that, or did Craig only take GJ? I'll go ask.
See you guys.
See you later, guys. Peace out, man. Adios. See you later,
This
guys.
was my first trade on the
Oh, was it, Mike? Good lad. That's what I like to see.
Yeah.
Good lad. Nice. Right, see you later, guys. Peace out,
1.2%.
1.2%. Jeez. Wow, that's nice. So Michael has been with us for a very, very long time. Just got his live account funded. I think he's on a very big funded account, and he's just done that first trade. So amazing. Right, see you later, guys, man. Peace and love. See you guys tomorrow, man.